Hello, hi, welcome back to Uipath session. In this session, I'm going to discuss how to open the browser and how to enter the value in the text box. So let's begin with an already I have opened the Uipath Studio. Just create the project, open browser, open browser and enter value. So I'm just clicking on the create button. It will open the project with the default main sequence. So today I'm going to cover these two things. First is how to open the browser and how to enter the value. These are the two topics I'm going to cover. So as usual, this pop-up will come. Just click the close and click yes. So while installing the UiPath Studio, you need to install the UiPath plugin. Else, when you open the new first time when you open the Chrome browser, it may ask you to install the UiPath plugin into any browser, whichever the browser you use. So this is the main sequence. Just you go to navigate here, put use application. So just drag and drop here, and before once you open this, you need to open the browser with the application. So I'll just I'll open the browser. Okay, and I'll open a new tab here. Some application you can open some. So I am opening this application. So now I'm going back to the UiPath. So here there is indicate application to automate. So click this. Come here, click on this browser with application. So when it show the green here, if you see here, click to select the browser. That means the plugin is added. If it is not added, it will ask you to add, so you need to add. So I have I have just pointed to the application. Now if I want to enter the value into the text box, there is an activity called type into, sorry. So that activity, when you double click, it has came here. So here, so you have opened the browser. Now you have opened the you added the type into activity. So click on this indicate and click on this first name. Don't move your hand here, otherwise it may go to other fields. So just once it get green, that means it has located the object. Click on confirm here. So now it has added that pointed to that object. After that, here in this text box, you just enter what are the value you want to enter. For example, you want to enter the first name. So anything you can enter. You can enter name. So this is the first name. Again, you want to add. So you want to add the value here also as well. So what you need to do? You need to add one more activity. Type type into, sorry, type into. So again I click this, double click, it will add that activity. Click on this and you point to the which field you want to enter. Just click here. When it comes green, that means it has pointed correctly. Click here, double click here and click on confirm. So if you see here, it has pointed to the last name. So you want to enter the value, something you want to enter. So I have opened the Chrome browser, added the first name and last name, some with some default value. I have just put here some value, and once it added, I just want to make sure to stop the application so that it will wait for some time. Otherwise, it will add quickly and go. You cannot observe whether it is added or not. So there is an activity called delay. So here you can stop, you can sleep, like in Selenium there is a thread dot sleep. Similarly here also delay. So when you click on this increment here, it will point to hours. The first left side is hours. Take the right arrow in your keyboard and move here and add 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. It will wait for the 2 minutes. So once it is added the activities, click on this save button. Now you want to run the script. So just click here in the drop down, debug file, run file. You can even close this browser as well, because it will open the new browser. So it has opened that application. If you observe here, now it added the first name here and the last name here. As I have given 2 minutes delay, so it will wait for the 2 minutes. If you want, to close, you can close as well. You can close the stop, you can stop here. And few things I want to discuss with you. See, when you add the use application, this one, there is a uh, resize here. Okay, if it select the resize none, or if you select the maximize here, once it open, it will maximize your application. If you select the none, once it is done, it will close automatically. Okay, now I just select the maximize, and here also this is the type into activity. You can change the name here. You can just click here. You can type it here. Just double click here and you can enter first name text box. You can give the name here. So just if you click here, at the top the name will display here. Yeah, here display name. See here, type into something is there. Even if you want to remove this one, just remove from here. Once it update, you just click anywhere, it will reflect the name. This name and this display name is same. Similarly, you can change the name of this. Just go in the display name what you want to display. Delete. um, Second text box field. Then I click here, it will reflect the name here. So this is the property. Here you will find the property here. Click first, you need to select the activity. Then there is a different tabs here: object, properties, outline, data. So you need to click the property. Sometimes the property will come here at the right side. So if it come here, just click here at the right side. This is the new version of new version of Uipath Studio. So here activities, if you are if some of the activities, if you see the video, there will be some old activities. If you want that old activity to be displayed here in the activities, click this one and select the classic. Once you add this classic, it will add the old activities as well. Sometimes you will try to find the activity, but you won't get. So how to get the old activity? Click the activities here, left side, and click this and select this classic button. So this is all about today's session. So how to open the browser and how to enter the values in the text box. This is all about today's session. Hope you understand. Um, so if you get any question, you can put in the comment section. If you like the channel, just click the like button. I'm going to add the more videos. So this series will be covering the complete automation of UI automation from the beginning, from the variable declaration, loops, and dictionary, an Excel sheet, and how to open the browser, how to dynamically add the values. So this series will complete the complete automation of UiPath. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.